Hey guys, and welcome back to Summers with Wayde. So, we're in a corner that I'm not usually filming. And I'm going to try my hardest to not look at the monitor like last time. I won't be tempted to go like this. It'll be very obvious that I'm looking down here. But as you can tell by the title of this video, this is going to be an iPhone case haul. So let's get started. So, if you saw not my last video, the video before that one, you would have known that I have recently come into a clout device. A nice, pretty iPhone. And I bought the product red. It says product red on it. I bought it with the phone, but then I wanted some other colors. And I really wanted to be able to match it with my school uniform. And so I bought these four because I swear to God my phone was listening to me because I was talking about buying a cover and then this page popped up and it was like, okay. So these look like real ones, but they are in fact knockoffs. You can tell by the bottom they're not the same, but they look convincing enough and I personally don't care. But let's start off with this one. This is the black one. It looks like this. It says iPhone. And this one, I'm gonna get it out of the way first because this one's actually a gift from my best friend Jesse. You've seen him in a couple of my videos. And I'll insert some B-roll of this here. But this is what it looks like on. It's just... it looks nice with the power button. Insert some B-roll of that. Next up is this blue color, which I really like. This is supposed to be an imitation of the midnight blue. It's not really. It's a lot lighter. But it kind of looks like the cornflower of the Tennis Max. And so I'm going to put it on. Bam. This is what it looks like on. I also really like it. And it's the same. They all have the little soft material on it. And it's kind of raised, as you can see. Oh. As you can see, so that if it falls, it's gonna provide some more protection. Next color. Wait, no. B-roll. Next color. Orange. And then this one is the one that looks the fakest because you can tell that this is like magenta. Like, let me get it a little bit closer up. Like, that's magenta, not orange. So let me slide it on. So here it is. I really like it as well. It looks real enough. And I tried it on with my Fanta hoodie, which you guys have seen me on my Instagram wear a lot, but I usually wear it to school. So this goes along well, so B-roll of that. Then the last one is this yellow case, which I think might be my favorite. Yeah, let's pop it on. And then this is what it looks like. And I think it's really nice. The black and yellow. Black and yellow. But it just, you know, it makes me feel happy when I look at it and it's just like hip teen. I like yellow. I'm quirky. And so, you know, just for shits and giggles, I'll try on. Oh, B-roll. like I said, for shits and giggles, I'll just try on the official product red one. You already saw it if you saw my unboxing, but you know, I love recycling. We gotta save the planet. So here it is. And yeah, it's just red. And then this one, as you can see, doesn't have the cover at the bottom like the other ones do. Let me show you what I mean. So yeah. So, this was a very quick video. But yeah. Thank you guys so very much for watching. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Click that bell icon so you're notified. Excuse me. Every time I post a video, tell me in the comments down below, out of all of these, which one was your favorite. And yeah, sorry that I missed, you know, Wednesday's upload, but you're seeing this on Friday, hopefully.
Fuck.
Our Wi-Fi situation is very rough at the moment, so I'll hopefully get this up on Friday, and then you would have seen the drive with me yesterday, I'm hoping. So yeah, remember that I love y'all so much, and I'll see you guys on Monday. Bye!